Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Volvo XC60 infotainment system. To perform a basic reset, first locate the home button on your center display. This is the button that looks like a house icon. Once you've found it, press and hold it down firmly for at least 20 seconds. You'll see the screen go blank and then restart, which indicates the reset is complete. This simple step often resolves many common system issues quickly. You should consider resetting your infotainment system if you experience issues like an unresponsive touchscreen, freezing, or slow performance. This quick restart can often clear temporary glitches and restore proper function without losing your saved settings. After holding the button, the screen will go black, and then the Volvo logo will appear as it reboots. The entire process usually takes a minute or two for the system to fully come back online. If a soft reset doesn't resolve your issues, there are a few other things to consider. Always make sure your vehicle is safely parked before attempting any resets. If problems continue, check for any pending software updates, as these can often fix underlying bugs. For more stubborn issues, or if you're unsure, it's always best to consult a Volvo service center. They can perform diagnostics and offer professional assistance. Remember, a soft reset won't delete your personal settings or data, so you don't need to worry about reconfiguring everything. Always ensure your vehicle is safely parked before attempting any system resets. And speaking of quality, life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. Check the description below for a link to darn tough socks and other great deals. Thanks for watching and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.